Hello class, welcome to our LFCS online class. Myself Sandhya Tiwari, your SST teacher. We have already completed chapter 2 in civics, and also we have completed history portion. So you prepare all the question answer exercises whatever I have provided you for your exam. Okay, so today we are going to start our geography portion. In geography you have to study only one chapter. Okay, two chapter you have already studied, chapter 1 2. Okay, and today we are going to start our third chapter. The name of chapter is motions of the earth. Okay, so we will study about the motions of the earth. In motions of the, while studying about the motions of the earth, two things are very important. That is, or you may call that two words, rotation and revolution. These words you heard from the earlier class while you are in third, fourth and in fifth, and now you are also again you are getting to aware of this word rotation and revolution. Okay, and also we will study about the other topic, that is how the means rotation of the earth. Okay, in this chapter we will study about the rotation of the earth and effects of rotation of the earth. What are the effects of the rotation of the earth? And other topic, the circle of illumination. And after this topic we have to study that the next topic, that is also very important, duration of day and night. And also next, after rotation come towards revolution of the earth, and also aphelion and perihelion and effects of, and also what are the effects of revolution. And last, that is the cycle of seasons. In cycle of seasons we have to study about season, summer solstice 21 June, winter solstice, spring and autumnal equinox 21 March and 23rd September. These are the important topics which we will discuss in this chapter. Okay, so let us open your book, page number 128. The name of chapter is motions of the earth. Okay, I just talked about the two words, rotation and revolution. Let us come to know the meaning of rotation and then revolution. Here rotation means the spinning of the earth upon. The spinning means ghumna. Spinning of the earth upon its axis, where at one spinning axis, spinning of the earth on its axis in about 24 hours. And next, revolution, movement of the earth around the sun. Suppose this is your sun and this is your earth. Movement of this earth around the, this is sun, around the sun. Movement of earth around the sun in a period of 1 year. It takes a revolving this 1 year, means 365 days. Is it clear? And see the picture I have drawn here. This is a axis line, and here lies North Pole, and this dark portion shows night, and this not shaded portion it shows day, and this line you crosses here, this is equator, and this down portion is South Pole. Okay, so let us come to know about or read more and more about this chapter. Yes, In ancient time, it was believed that the earth is in the rest position. In the earliest time, people think about the earth. They thought that earth is, what happened? Earth is in the rest position. Means earth is in stable, not it is taking rest, in rest position. मतलब कि आप एक दशा में रहिए तो क्या है, in rest position. But and other celestial bodies move around it, and जो अदर सेलेस्टियल बॉडीज हैं वो मूव करती हैं. आपका ये कहा जा रहा है कि अर्थ क्या है, रेस्ट पोजीशन पे है, और जो अदर सेलेस्टियल बॉडी हैं वो अर्थ के चक्कर लगा रही हैं. समझ में आया? ओके. हाउएवर निकोलस कोपरनिकस proved that the earth only appeared to be stationary, but one geographer, Nicholas what's name? Copernicus. He was only able to prove that Earth is stationary. Earth स्थिर है. Earth is only stationary. He further added that the Earth not only spins on its axis but also moves around the sun. Proved that the earth only appeared to be stationary. He further added, but later on what he added? He added further that the earth not only spins, किसके? On its own axis, वो अपनी ही एक्सिस पे स्पिन नहीं कर रही है, बल्कि but also moves around the sun. But it moves around the, वो सन के चक्कर लगाती है. Like every other planet of the solar system, our Earth also has two types of motions. Like every other planets, our Earth has also two motions. जिस तरह से बाकी planets के solar system के planets के कुछ types हैं, in the same way our Earth has also two types of motions. Just I talked now. First rotation and second one revolution. Okay. So namely rotation and revolution. Which are these two motions? Or you may question may create like name two motions of the earth. Then what you will give answer? The two motions of the earth are dash, rotation and revolution. Okay, clear beta? Yes. Rotation is the movement of the earth on its own axis. Rotation means is the movement of, किसका movement? Movement of the earth on its own axis. While revolution is the movement of the earth around the sun in a fixed path called orbit. वो अपनी जगह पर ही क्या करता है, मूवमेंट करता है. इज द मूवमेंट ऑफ द अर्थ अराउंड द सन ऑन ए फिक्स्ड पाथ पर वो मूव करता है. दैट इज नोन एज ऑर्बिट. ओके. नाउ rotation of the earth. The earth rotates upon its imaginary axis like a top. You have seen top. आपने top कभी देखा है? Like this is top and this is the upper part of top and this is the lower part of top. जब हम top को घुमाते हैं ऐसे रस्सी में बांध कर उसको जब फेंकते हैं तो वो एक जगह अपनी ही उस पर पॉइंट पर घूमता है. कभी आपने ऑब्जर्व किया है? Yes, you must. If you have not done, take anything pointed and put that things on the ground, and later on you will get find out that that things is pointed things is moving like this. वो अपने ही एक्सिस पर वो ये घूम रहा है. आपने देखा होगा ना? यस. Top or a potter's wheel from west to east. कैसे? west to ईस्ट, लाइक दिस। आपने पॉटर्स का व्हील भी देखा होगा, वो भी घूमता है। ओके, you must have seen trees and houses running in the opposite direction while traveling in a train. While you travel, then what you find out? That just you are sitting in train, bus, in any car or whatever travel in any vehicles, then you will find out that the things you are crossing means what, you are moving now, that things are not moving, you are passing that things means you are moving. Trees scenes houses in the opposite direction while traveling in a train. We know that in reality, we know the reality na, they are fixed and our train is sorry, we are means trees, houses, and whatever you see on the roadside, all things are stable, they are at their own position, but vehicles are moving. Okay, we know that in reality they are fixed on our and our train is moving. Similarly, the sun and the other celestial bodies appears to move in the sky, and in the same way you will find out that the sun and other celestial bodies, what they appear to move in the sky from east to west direction, but it is the earth. आपको ऐसे दिखाई देता है ना कि सन और अदर सेलेस्टियल बॉडी मूव करते हैं वेस्ट टू ईस्ट, बट इन रियलिटी व्हाट इज है, बट इट इज द अर्थ that is moving, that is means earth is moving, not the sun. The earth's axis is not perpendicular. अर्थ का जो एक्सिस है आपने देखा ना, ये परपेंडिकुलर नहीं है, सीधा नहीं है, ठीक है ना, सीधा है नहीं, ऐसे नहीं है ना, देखिए सीधा है, तिरछा झुका हुआ है, दिखाई दे रहा है ना। द अर्थ्स एक्सिस इज नॉट परपेंडिकुलर टू द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द सन रेज, जो सन रेज के डायरेक्शन में क्या है, परपेंडिकुलर यानी सीधा नहीं है। Perpendicular the direction of sun rays not to the plane of the earth's orbit. It is inclined from the vertical line at an angle of 23rd and half degree. Means ये झुका हुआ है, किस वे में झुका हुआ है, वर्टिकल में झुका हुआ है, फ्रॉम 23.5, आपने देखा ना 23.5 degree, it makes an angle of 66.5 degree with its orbit plane, which is formed by the orbit of the earth around the sun. Thus the earth always remains tilt to one side. In this way we can say that जो अर्थ है वो एक साइड झुका हुआ है while moving around the sun. This tilt is called the inclination of the earth's axis. इस झुकाव को हम क्या कहते हैं, जैसे कि पृथ्वी की धुरी का झुकाव, एक्सिस मतलब क्या होता है, धुरी, मीन्स पृथ्वी की धुरी का झुकाव। द इंक्लिनेशन इज ऑलवेज इन द सेम डायरेक्शन, जो झुकाव है वो क्या है, ऑलवेज इन सेम डायरेक्शन, वो एक ही डायरेक्शन में उसका झुकाव रहेगा। Same direction, that is towards the pole star, where it inclined towards pole star. Effects of rotation of the earth. What are the effects of the rotation of the earth? No, sorry, the earth takes about 24 hours or 1 day to complete one rotation. Earth, this is your earth, and it takes 24 hours or 1 hour to complete one rotation. Okay, 24 or 1 day it takes in rotation 1 day or 24 hours. Therefore, the rotation is called daily motion. That's why this rotation, जो rotation है, that's why we call this rotation as a daily rotation. Daily होता है ना. Motion of the earth, it is also known as earth day, and also in another way, another term, it is also known as earth day. Next topic, effects of rotation of the earth. What are the effects of the rotation of the earth? Rotation, earth के rotate करने से क्या असर पड़ता है? Due to the rotation of the earth, day and night occur, and only because of the rotation of the earth, day and night causes. तभी तो दिन और रात बनती है. Day and night occur. A day consists of 24 hours. Second, the earth rotates. It appears that the sun, the moon and the stars are moving from ईस्ट टू वेस्ट. एज अर्थ रोटेट, जिस तरह से अर्थ रोटेट्स होता है तो हमको क्या महसूस होता है? दैट सन, मून एंड द अदर स्टार्स ऑल्सो मूविंग टूवर्ड्स द डायरेक्शन फ्रॉम वेस्ट टू मीन्स ईस्ट टू वेस्ट. द concept of direction based on sunrise and sunset has been given by it. जो कॉन्सेप्ट है, किसका कॉन्सेप्ट? सनसेट और सनराइज का. ये क्या है? हैज बीन गिवन बाय इट, इसके द्वारा ही मिला है. नाउ बल्गिंग ऑफ द अर्थ एट द इक्वेटर. क्या है जो अर्थ का, जैसे आपने देखा ना, ये अर्थ है, थोड़ा सा बीच में ये क्या है, ढीला है ना, थोड़ा ये लटका हुआ है. द बल्गिंग ऑफ अर्थ एट द इक्वेटर एंड फ्लैटनिंग. और ये जो ऊपर का एरिया है थोड़ा सा फ्लैटेंड है, नीचे और ऊपर दोनों फ्लैटेंड है. ठीक, फ्लैटेंड एट द पोल्स आर ऑल्सो कॉज्ड ड्यू टू द रोटेशन. और ये क्यों, कैसे होता है? ये यहाँ बल्गिंग होता है, झुका होता है, और ये यहाँ चपटा होता है थोड़ा सा. ये क्यों होता है? ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ द rotation. ठीक. And movements of winds, oceans, currents and tides are also caused by the due to rotation. बहुत तेज हवा चलती है, ओशंस ओशन करंट जब फॉर्म होता है, टाइड्स फॉर्म होती हैं, दे ऑल कॉज्ड ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ द रोटेशन ऑफ द अर्थ. Okay, so tomorrow we will study about the circle of elimination. Okay, so today only this much. Thank you.